Hey y'all, thank you for joining me today because we are going to make this so much fun little fall snack. I thought, it's time for fall break, and how much fun would it be just to have something a little bit different for your fall snack. So what I did was I melted a 10-ounce bag of chocolate chips. Now these are semi-sweet chocolate chips. This is a little bit hot. So let's see how far it goes. These little recipes are so easy and fun to do. Let me grab a pop open. That was still a little bit hot from the microwave. So anyway, these recipes are so much fun to do, and they're easy. And honestly, I thought Nico was going to be here with me this afternoon, and that's why I thought we'd do this recipe today. But he couldn't come. We've had the craziest day. A good day, but a crazy day. So he ended up staying at home, and so I'm doing it. But I wanted to go ahead and do it because I think it's just good to have, if you do trick or treat, it's fun to have something at home that you've made and is safe for the kids before you check their candy, right? And it's so yummy as well. So here we go. We've got all this wonderful chocolate melted, and I lined a baking sheet with parchment paper just to make it easy to spread around and also for it to release. So I'm going to spread this around, and then I'll show y'all what the next step is. I hope y'all are doing great. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. Thank you for following me and subscribing to my channel, and it's just so much fun to have Miss Dana's Kitchen family grow. So thank you. I appreciate you. So next we're going to add our fun little toppings. So I thought it would be fun to add some pretzels because this is a fun little fall treat, I think. People love pretzels. Nico loves pretzels, and they're crunchy and fun, so it'll add a little texture to it as well. So we'll add our little mini pretzels here. I think these little ones are cute, the ones that are kind of shaped like a heart. So we'll put those in, and what you need to be mindful of whenever you are putting your additions on is to make sure you get it in the chocolate so it stays once you start breaking apart the pieces, because it wouldn't be good if you had something that would not stick right, and then it'll fall off. And every once in a while, whenever you're doing your peppermint bark or something like that during the holiday season, that happens, and it's okay. People don't care. So then I got just some little chocolate candies, candy-coated chocolates, to add a little color, a little fall color. I have a few more of those. Let me put those in there. And then, get one more. And then I got some orange jelly beans. Now you can find these if your grocery store has a candy section where you can, put as much candy as you want in little bags. Then that's the place to get these, because unless you love jelly beans and eat them, you have to buy a larger package, and you might not want to do that. So I'm going to put these little jelly beans in. Make sure they stick in the chocolate, just like I said. And then it'll make the bark really pretty. And, it's festive. You can have it on a Saturday afternoon if you have your children have friends over. But I don't know. We love candy corn. I love any excuse to have candy corn. So we're going to put our candy corn on there. And then I'm going to melt some butterscotch morsels. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So I melted our butterscotch morsels, and they are stiffer than the chocolate ones are. I don't know why. But butterscotch and chocolate chips together make the richest flavor. If you have watched my fantasy fudge recipe, you'll know that that's what I use. And so I think what we're going to do is, instead of trying to drizzle it, I'm just going to make little dollops on here that look like little pumpkins, sort of. But And that way you'll get the wonderful rich taste of a little bit of butterscotch as well. So anyway, I hope y'all like this. I just thought, you know what? It would be fun to have a little treat for your family, and it was easy to make, right? Because I think a lot of people make chili on Halloween night. If you do go trick-or-treating, or just in the fall you make chili, this would be an excellent dessert because all it takes is just a couple bites and you feel like you've had some dessert. So here we go, y'all. This sweet little fall candy bark. So right now what I'll do is I'll put it in the fridge and let it harden up, and then I'll show you how pretty it looks on the plate.
On McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a bug back there and a bug back there, ear bug everywhere a bug on McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.